myself, Rashid Manoli. I represent LS Electric, which is a Korean company, South Korean company. We manufacture low voltage, medium voltage, and high voltage electrical equipments. We were spun out of LG, as you know, the LG brand. Until 2003, our products was also branded as LG. And after 2003, LG decided to split the company into three companies. So LG, which is manufacturing the white goods and chemicals, retained the brand LG. The electrical segment, they changed the brand to LS. And the construction segment, they changed the brand to GS. So LG, LS and GS. LS group, we have LS Cable and LS Electric. So as I said, I work for LS Electric, and I'm based in the Dubai office, which is taking care of the Middle East and Africa region. Today I'm here in Malaysia. We are displaying all our latest products for the Indian market. We are primarily trying to concentrate on renewable energy products. So we have all the latest DC products displayed today in Malaysia, Bangalore. So we are here to promote our brand, which is a new entrant into the Indian market. So we are trying to improve our reach in the Indian market. We opened an office in Bangalore. So now we have a representative office in Bangalore. And from here, we are catering to the different regions of Indian market. So yes, we are trying to grow as much as possible in this market and trying to target the renewable energy market in this country. So thank you, and hope you all can visit us in Malaysia and take a look at our products. So LS Electric, as I said, we manufacture low voltage, medium voltage and high voltage products. So under low voltage, we manufacture components like MCB, MCCB, ACBs. So starting from 1 amps up to 6,300 amps, both in AC and DC. So DC basically, which is going to be used in renewable energy. We are one of the pioneers in developing DC 1,500 volt MCCBs and ACBs. And today we have achieved 1,800 volt in disconnecting switch DC. So that is about low voltage. So in low voltage, with these components, we can cater to from the final distribution board, the sub-main distribution board to main distribution board. So we have complete type tested system which can cater to MDB from 1,600 amps up to 4,000 amps, both in aluminum and copper bus bar. Coming to medium voltage, we are manufacturing vacuum circuit breakers, ring main units, metal clad switch gears as well. And coming to high voltage, starting from 33 kV GIS and AIS to 400 kV GIS is manufactured. All these components are basically manufactured in South Korea factory by LS Electric. So as a part of the futuring smart energy, LS Electric decided to invest in converting our factory from conventional manufacturing to a completely automated manufacturing. So most of our mass production items are now completely manufactured by robots, and we implement smart IoT and big data into the manufacturing facilities. So in 2020, we were one of the first Korean company in the electrical industry to be completely automated, 100% automated for mass production items. So today, from raw material picking to production to quality check and packing is completely done by robots. So we use big data, artificial intelligence to achieve this production quality, etc.